show you where the hell my GPS is taking me, because I had to look down on my locks and make sure my door was locked. And I'm not like treating anybody's neighborhood as anything, but this don't look safe. And I don't even say that. That's never something that comes out of my mouth. But this don't look safe. I feel like I'm in Trench Town right now.
Turn right onto Studley Park Road.
I'm only going where it's telling me to go. But I don't know where the fuck this is taking me.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Sly Pen Road.
Yeah, my GPS needs to be fired for taking me all the way out here. Yeah. And it's not like I even made some wrong turn where it had to reconnect and it's bringing me somewhere.
Turn left onto Sly Pen Road.
Yeah, never again. Never again. This
500 meters, turn right onto Torrington Road.
Yeah, this looks familiar now, but before it got me going through it had me going through some crazy abandoned lot with a bunch of rubbish, as you guys saw. Let me just pay attention to where I'm going. Bye. Hey everybody. I'm literally so tired. I've been up and down on the road from 9 o'clock. Well, from 10 o'clock. From 9:50. Hold on, I'm gonna pass this. Yeah, I've been up and down on the road since then. The last thing you saw was me in Trench Town. I think that was Trench Town. Man, my GPS kept me some places this year. But I really do appreciate the GPS. I appreciate being up and down on the road, because then I get to learn places. And sometimes I drive by some places and I'm like, oh, sorry, the car's making noise in the background because I'm giving my phone a break. I use Bluetooth and play music, but I bought a CD from somebody and they feel to listen to the CD. I'm on my way back to the house. I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. I'm gonna edit a video and I'm gonna get it up before I shouldn't move enough. I'm gonna get it up before 5 o'clock or 5 o'clock. I want you guys to see that they're talking about the COVID-19 St. Catherine lockdown, and they have a virtual town hall meeting
governing the lockdown of St. Catherine at the moment.
Thank you. We are extremely, from the chamber point of view, extremely concerned because we felt that
Alright guys, so I am done for the day. It is 11:46. Anyways, I just read a message. People can't chat. But I'm done for the day. This man just basically asked me if I was pregnant. If I was pregnant. I'm like, whoa. I know the dress that I have on have a tie in the front. It has a tie in the front. But geez, I never take it as a pregnancy dress. Hi. You want to see on the vlog? yeah man, so I'm done for the day. I'm about to head back to the house. I'm hungry. I have to edit a video and I'm gonna try to get that video up by tonight, sometime tonight. It's a very long video to edit. Look on the mango tree, man. Say, can you imagine just walking by people's yard and see whole heap of mango on the tree? It just look nice. Yeah, I might buy lunch. I don't know, I just really want to get off the road, and I made sure to do absolutely everything I could do so I could get off the road as soon as possible, which I am, so I'm very grateful. There is a mobile market going around. Right, hold on. Right here. I think it's so cool. It's very smart. I'm about to go get something to eat, so I will see you guys later. Good morning vlog, good morning people. So yes, I'm looking ridiculously crazy right now. It's Saturday, April 18th. You know I don't care about what you're gonna see this after. Anyways, it's Saturday, April 18th, 8:29 a.m. and I'm going to give Danine and Devaughni the camera to vlog what it's like being in quarantine from a kid's perspective. And yes, it's Saturday, but basically Saturday is like Monday and Monday is like Friday. This is what you're seeing. This is what you're hearing. This is what you're hearing. Blossom, you're rude. You're rude. Yes, I'm gonna give them that. They should tell you about what their daily schedule is like. They're gonna show you TikTok moves, playing games, watching cartoon, eating food, kid stuff. So it'll be very interesting to rewatch, for me to rewatch this and for you guys to see what it's like. So let's go. I'm showing them a demo of how it works. So it's recording right now. Danine and Devaughni, they're gonna be your hosts. They're gonna be your vloggers for the day. So guys, when it's recording, you're gonna see the red light blinking. That means it's recording. So you can record and talk to the camera and you'll always know that it's blinking. You won't be able to see yourselves from this position, but it catches everything. It's a very wide frame. And then try to talk in good lighting, or if you are gonna record and talk to yourself, try going outside, because I'm gonna show you individually. Look, I'll show you first. See how dark it is? And now you stand there. See how dark it is?
Yep.
So try coming and turning it towards the light. So come now.
So it's good when
So you'll see good lighting from this direction.
It's good when I walk the dog.
Yeah. This is how the tripod works. So, well, you all know how the tripod works. So you just set it up any type of way that you want, and then you can sit and talk and show them what school is like and all these extra things.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go and let you guys do your thing.
Who should start off first, Danine? I go to primary school. I'm in 5th grade.
Okay.
I'm bougie, Danine. I'm too bougie for you.
Okay. So we are nervous.
Yes, very nervous. Like we didn't know. Like Shadi just came in my room and said, like, "Hey, you wanna record a video?" I'm like,
Yes. Yes.
I hope this video is not too boring.
Alright. So what we do is, well,
Stay at home and chill.
Basically, I think.
yes. And this, we do our school stuff, but school doesn't start now. It starts the 20th, and this is Devaughni's schedule.
Which is overrated and it's just way too much.
Yes.
way too much. Like,
And I don't have my schedule. I don't have my schedule yet because it's hard to print. So yeah. But yes, we have to do almost all those stuff.
And then we're absolute trash with the camera.
Don't expose me.
I'm exposing you.
You're
We
mean.
get into lots of fights. Like,
Could you like shush?
head-to-head throwdowns.
Do you want me to turn on that tower right there?
Do it now. Do it now,
Oh
Danine.
my god.
Do it.
It gets annoying sometimes
It's
to
very
be in a house with this dude over here.
And this girl over here.
Move.
We're 58 pillows. You want? Let's give them a house tour.
No.
Yes.
The house is not in the right shape right now.
I have the light. Does it look better?
Yes, much better.
Professional camera.
This is the one is set up. This is the one is set up. You can turn off the lights if you know that, right? This is the one is set up for toys. It's,
We got plastic army men. We got these guys.
yes.
Damn.
He made a tower which is really big. It's like I'm surprised it didn't drop
And I
down
made
yet.
this thing.
Lego man.
This
It looks weird.
monstrosity.
It looks really weird. Alright, nowadays what I do when I'm
Oh,
bored
that's a good camera angle.
is I dance. I do TikTok dances.
Oh my god.
And yeah, you wanna? I try to do the savage one. I'm gonna look so bad. Alright, I look terrible. Recommend you.
Absolutely.
Alright, ready?
I can't do it. I can't do it, Danine.
No, you don't have to do this.
What are you doing, Danine? Oh my, is it two persons?
No, it's one person song. It's a one person song, my dude.
I don't like two
I'm
persons.
I gave up at that point. I gave up. I can't. I'm not good. I'm not good. The one, what do you do when you're bored?
Not to be embarrassing, but
We're not gonna show Tishon.
I usually watch videos. Here's the best garden. Well, not the best, like, except like a lot of grass species have died. Not in the making of this video, but in general.
Doggy. Don't worry. You take the dog out to walk, right?
Yep. Buttercup.
That's Buttercup.
The absolute. She's an absolute uncultured swine. I never knew.
Wow, you called the dog uncultured swine, you uncultured swine. Put her down.
Okay.
Poor dog being abused. Yeah. Homeschooling is really hard nowadays. Yeah, this homeschooling thing, I'm not used to it. Nope.
Let me get my puppy. Let me do
This
the people
homeschooling.
mastermind.
No, you put that dog down.
Oh no.
You put the dog down. You put the
Danine, your head is not getting the picture. Like, what?
I'm a
Nice.
model.
You're not a model, Danine.
Yes, I am. I want to tell them what you do when you're bored.
I don't know, but we do these looty challenges, which are excruciating.
Everybody's so mean.
I know, right? And
Manipulative.
yes.
And you have all these toys playing with. Like, what? So random. I would just watch TV. Ah, yes. Anyways. we'll get back to you.
Nobody watches TV anymore. Except
Only if it's Netflix, you know.
and chill.
Chill. Alright, we'll get back to you in like, I don't know how long.
Is that 10 minutes?
It's like 7 minutes.
You better keep recording.
Devaughni. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so we made a handshake. Alright, ready for this?
Bust it, Grace. Bust it, man. Bust it. Kick it, man. You messed it up, that means.
I didn't mess it up. Alright, let's start over.
Okay. Bust it, Grace. Bust it, Grace. Bust it. Kick it, pan. Kick it, pan. Kick it. Go, little bro. Go, little bro. Go. Go, little bro. Go, little bro. Go.
Yeah. Okay. So what I also do when I'm bored is I draw. Okay, so I need a reference. I draw gacha people. Gacha. Okay. I already drew her. It's turned out good. I can't find the pictures that I drew, but it's fine. The picture that I drew in a folder and I can't find that folder. So, I don't know. Hello, people. Well, we saw this hack with Oreos, right? Well, I saw it, and the one was like, I don't want to do it, but I forced him. Yes, so what you do is you get Oreos. Wait.
And you have to get hot sauce.
Here, Oreo. I couldn't bother get a bowl, so I should have got a bowl, didn't I? Okay, whatever. I put 4 Oreos.
Like, you being cheap.
And then this you can basically make a cake out of Oreos and milk. So I don't know how much milk. No, stop! Stop! I don't need that much.
Yes, you do. Then
I need it pasty.
Pasty?
Pasty.
That is not a word.
Look it up.
Scrabble.
Could you like stop? Chunks, so I need to like take these all out. Look at that chunkiness. Please stop. Send help. Can somebody like get this chunkiness out of it? I think.
No, nobody can get chunks. Give me this.
Okay, come here. So we saw this hack how to make a cake with only Oreos.
Like,
no,
they need to see the name.
Yes, Devaughni, they're fine. You need to crush it, not stir it. Oh my gosh.
It's so touchy that you
I'm not touchy.
Stirring will crush it up.
That won't help. That'll just make the mixture more like not what I more watery or something, and that's not what I want. Ugh.
Absolutely disgusting. Ew! Don't put that back in there, Danny. We'll get a new one.
No, I'm walking dog.
Absolutely.
It's good.
Look at all that chunk.
What's it? I'm cultural swine. I don't know if these chunks are gonna come out, but I'm going with it anyways. Good enough for me.
Make sure to subscribe, guys, for our pain and suffering.
No. We're gonna put it in the microwave. Wait, carry the camera, please. We put it in the microwave.
Your best cameraman.
Okay.
Let me do this. Let me do this extra thing. Please don't. Or Allah.
All right.
It's gonna take forever.
gonna take a while. 30 seconds. So we're gonna turn off this for a minute. Alright. Look. Looks good. I tried a little bit of it. Tastes awesome. It's hot, Devaughni. We actually had to put it for 2 minutes. Okay.
Because of me?
Yeah. Here. Blow on it. It's hot. How it tastes. Chef Devaughni. It tastes good?
It's alright. Tastes like chocolate.
Devaughni, could you like stop that? Delicious. I like it. Add it with with some milk and then yeah.
I dare you to just pour milk on it.
I'll pour milk on it to cool it off. Oh, that's soaking in right there. Hot. Oh yeah, cheesecake. No, yeah, cheesecake. Devaughni's face and a cheesecake.
Oh no. It's uneven. I'll take the uneven slice.
Does it matter?
Actually, yeah, I'm taking the fat slice.
Yes.
I'm so tempted not to lick this.
Devaughni, you can lick it. Animals. Hello guys. Okay. So I'm gonna do this prank on Devaughni. It's not like you can hear me. So I'm gonna fill this up with water and I'm going to poke the bag with these pencils, but I'm gonna act like it's gonna drop out. The water's gonna drop out. Hopefully this works. But the water won't drop out. I'll show you what I mean in a second. I'll be right back. Alright guys, Devaughni wants me to do poke holes with the bag. You want me to do it? Oh, you want me to do it? Okay. No one's like, oh gosh. Give me the bag.
There's something up with this. Oh, I know what you're doing. The bag is the No, Danine, no.
Well, come here.
No, you're tripping.
Devaughni, don't be scared. Devaughni, come on. Turn this down.
I'm gonna
Come
hit
on.
you. Hold it where it is. You have to put it in
Stop. I know.
3, 2, 1. Put it outside.
It's not leaking. I mean, really. You think I'm not scared too?
Okay, let me do it.
Other one. No, I don't trust you.
No, okay, I'll do it.
You're so scared. Okay. Alright, I'll do it over your head.
No, please!
Come here.
Oh yes, I pranked him. He was so scared. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't want to mess it up. He messed it up. You maniac!
Mr. West cooking some nice juicy chicken. Ooh, that's good. Good stuff. Look how it works. Very nice. One time I had this fried chicken and I couldn't have enough. Here's mommy and Mr. harassing each other.
Why can clean up now? I have clothes on the line.
And here's some raw chicken.
We're going to cook the fries soon.
Ooh, the fries are gonna be coming soon. Ooh, juicy.
You and those.
Buttercup is just waiting. Aren't you waiting? Okay, that's it.